spent a good hour and a half getting this ready for primer. I'm going to take the bumper off, so the only thing I haven't took off is the bumper. The rest of it, I've had the roof right up so I can get the tape in where I needed it. I'm going to hit it with some primer, just the spots that need it, and then work out how much paint I'm going to need to order and see how we go. Busy day today. Started on the priming. Seems to have come out alright. Sand this back, get all the panels and everything else painted as well. So we have a nice flat bonnet. It's just been painted, so there's still probably some wet spots, but there's some wet spots there. This car had, obviously it was silver, but these bits were black. I'm not sure whether to paint them black again. It makes the back window look bigger and less of a sort of poxy little square, but I'd also thought painting the whole thing black, or even just to there, so then it looks like it's always got the roof off. What do you think? Quite like the colour. Quite like the colour. Just gotta hope we don't get any rain until I get the paint now, so I don't have to redo the papering off, taping off. I've done that along the bottom because I'm not sure whether I'm matching the paint yet or whether I'm getting a slightly different colour. I've gone to the point now where there really is very few panels on the car that haven't been fixed, so that's why I didn't want to order it just quite yet. See, this one had to go to there, but then you might as well just do the rest. This bit had scratches all the way down the side, so what? It's just the bottom bit which you've still got to blend anyway. Just get whatever colour I want, I think. Just keep it kind of close so it lays a bit quicker and I won't have to use as much. So yeah, there'll be some sort of silver, but looks alright. Looks alright. Definitely one of my biggest projects yet. As opposed to the actual amount of painting that it's doing. It's going to be a full grease spray, and I ain't done that before. So yeah, it's going to hopefully turn out alright. The primer is hidden any imperfections that you would maybe could have seen. But then again, it's difficult to tell because there's so many sanded areas where the sun damage was that it looked worse than it was. But I'd obviously like sanded for days. But it's obviously still some wet spots in there, but it's pretty flat. Like, so I'm gonna go probably. I'll double check, but I'll probably do like 800 wet sand the whole thing. Potentially dry sand the areas that haven't been primered, and wet sand the primered area. Just get a bit of the sheen off, or all the sheen off, and then go at it with just check, make sure this tape's still alright. And go at it with a colour similar to what it was. Because I am aware that if I go too crazy, as soon as you open the door you're going to see the opposite colour. So I don't want that. And I have noticed I forgot to block the doors straight down, so I'm going to have a bit of overspray in here. Just got the too carried away. It was a tricky one because it's been convertible. You've obviously got all these joins, so the roof had to be like transformer style. Getting all them all taped up, then lowering it, and then once the windows closed up, I was just like, right, now I can do all the windows, and obviously forgot the doors. Bollocks. But anyway, I can fix it, even if I've just got to like 1,500, 2,000 wet sand the overspray off and give it a bit of a polish in between the doors. It's not ideal. I can always back to black any rubber I might have caught, but I don't think I've caught any rubber. As I say, I can't tell. I've opened it up. But I shall be ordering the paint today. So I can let you know what that colour is going to be in a bit.